I have this new eyeshadow palette to test for today. Let's see if it's good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette and I'm going to create this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So, if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. For today, I have just one new makeup product to test and it's an eyeshadow palette. But before I get to that part, I want to do my makeup base by using some of my favorite makeup products and some other makeup products recently tested here on my channel. I want to give you some updates for these makeup products recently tested here on my channel because I haven't had the chance to give you updates in my last few videos. So let's get started. For foundation today, I'm going to use this one by Dior. This Dior Forever Skin Perfect Stick Foundation. I do have a first impression video for this foundation and a wear test. So if you want to see the first impression video with the wear test, I highly recommend to check that video. My skin is very dry right now and it's also peeling because I did a peeling treatment and this foundation doesn't help. I feel like now I have my final impressions for this foundation. I've used it many times and every time it emphasizes something on my skin. My dry patches, acne, texture, even a very small imperfection. I don't think this is good for dry skin. I feel like this foundation is perfect for oily skin or for someone with perfect skin. So I think I'll save this foundation for those days when my skin will be in a very good place. I'll keep you updated. Next, I'm going to apply concealer, and for today, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Radiance Concealer. I also use it as eyeshadow base. I'm going to blend the concealer with this cute little beauty blender. I received it with my Sephora order and I'm going to use it for my concealer today. This is amazing for applying the concealer. This is the regular beauty blender and this is the sample. Now, about this concealer. I've tried it many times and my under eyes are not very dry, but this concealer emphasizes the dry patches I don't really have. And because of that, I don't like this concealer and I don't think I'll repurchase it again. There are a lot of other concealers that are better than this one. Next, I'm going to apply my cream bronzer. And I'm going to use this Dior Forever Skin Contour Stick. I love this contour stick. I love the color, I love the formula. Doesn't emphasize my pores, my acne or my texture and lasts all day on my skin. Now, let me show you how I like to use it. I like to apply this much on my hand. And then I take an angled brush. I do this to warm up the product and to spread it evenly on the brush. After that, I apply it on my skin. I like to apply a small amount, but the formula is very nice and buildable, so you can apply as much as you like without any problems. Next, I'm going to use this by Flower Nose. This is Flower Nose Little Angel Collection Cream Blush in the shade 3 Paradise Poet. I don't really like cream blushes, but this cream blush is something else. This is amazing for everyday makeup. The formula is nice and long lasting. It has like a blurring effect on the skin and the color is gorgeous. Very good. Next, I'm going to set everything in place with my powder. I have oily skin, so I need to apply powder every time I do my makeup. And for my powder today, I'm going to use this one by Huda Beauty. I have the Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. This is my favorite setting powder right now. Sets everything in place very nicely and my makeup stays matte all day. I also like it in this color, in Cherry Blossom Cake. I feel like this is very brightening on the skin. Next I'm going to use this Dior palette. This is Dior Rouge Blush Color and Glow palette in the shade 100 Diorissimo. And I'm going to apply these two today, this powder bronzer and this highlighter. I love this palette. This in the shade 100 Diorissimo. This is very good quality. The formula is nice and long lasting. And this bronzer has the perfect shade for fair skin. I love to use this stick bronzer as a base, and I like to use the bronzer from this palette on top. These two are very good together. Next, I'll move on to my eyes, and I'm going to test my new eyeshadow palette. And I have this palette. This is the new Spice palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is one of the two new palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I chose this one to test for today. But if you want me to test the other palette, let me know down below. So, this is how the packaging looks. Very nice packaging. I feel like this has the perfect size for traveling. Now, let's see the color story. And this is the color story. This is made in USA and has 12 months shelf life. The palette comes with a mirror. Very good mirror, perfect size. I'm very excited to try this palette just for the color story. This has some nice shimmers and also some matte colors with shimmer in them. Very interesting. Let's swatch everything. Let's see how is the formula and how are these colors. And these are all the colors swatched. These colors are very creamy and very pigmented. And this color story is right up my alley. Now, let's do something with it on my eyes. First, I'm going to start with this color in my crease. This color is very nice. The same on the other side. This color is very messy. Let me show you. I want to use this color next. This has some shimmer in it. I'm going to apply it on the outer corners. Oh, this is pigmented. Very pretty these two together. Now I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to take this from here. And I'm going to run this closer to my lash line on the outer corners. Now let's try the shimmers. I'm going to use this. Let's see how this works with a brush. This works just fine with a brush. Now I'm going to use this. This is very interesting. It has some gold particles in it. It's very pretty. Now let's try the last shimmer, this one, the outer corners. I'm going to use some on my lower lash line too. I'm going to use this again. My eye makeup right now, it's pretty intense, but these colors are pigmented but buildable. So we can definitely do something very simple for everyday makeup or something for a glam makeup look. So this is the finished eye makeup look with this palette. I will leave it for now and I'll give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I've finished my makeup. Now I'm going to quickly apply my mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Mascara is on. For my mascara, I've used this Essence Lash Princess mascara. This mascara is very good. It's waterproof and extremely long lasting, but it's very hard to remove it. So I don't reach for this mascara for everyday makeup, but when I want my makeup to last all day and all night, I like to use this mascara. And to finish with the makeup look, I'm going to apply something on my lips. And today I'm going to use just this lip liner by Wonder Skin. I've tried Wonder Skin makeup products for the first time in my last video. I've tried some of their eyeliners, lip liners, eyeshadow sticks, and the famous lip stain. As a little update for everything I've tried in my last video, I have to say that the products are amazing and very long lasting. But if you want to see me trying for the first time Wonder Skin makeup products, I highly recommend you to check my last video. So today I'm going to use this lip liner in the shade Blush. This color is very pretty. I like it a lot on my fair skin. Very nice formula. This is very creamy and comfortable on my lips. And it's also very long lasting. And this is the finished makeup result. Now, final impressions for my new eyeshadow palette, this by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this palette. These colors are creamy, pigmented, but buildable. So nothing to say about the formula. The formula is very good. I like the color story. This is right up my alley. So this palette is good, very good quality and pigmented, and I recommend you to buy it if you like the color story and if you feel like you'll use it a lot. But I'll use it more until my next video and I'll update you about everything then. But guys, let me know, have you tried this palette? Let me know if you like it. And let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!